In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Loom videos in Confluence. If you want your team to watch updates right where they collaborate, this simple workflow will let you drop a Loom recording directly onto a Confluence page in just a minute. Start by grabbing the link to your Loom video. Open Loom, navigate to the recording you want to share, and click Share. From there, copy the video URL. That web address is exactly what Confluence will use to display the video, so keep it handy. Next, move over to the Confluence page where you want the video to live. Click Edit to open the page editor. You can place the video in any section of the page, so think about where viewers will look for context, near a summary, instructions, or release notes. Now, let's embed it. In the editor toolbar, click the plus icon labeled Insert More Content, then choose Other Macros. In the search box, look for Widget Connector, or, depending on your Confluence version, the macro named Embed. Either option works. Paste the Loom link into the URL field and select Insert. Confluence will drop a playable video block right on the page, so teammates won't have to leave to watch. Quick note before we continue. I've put the Loom download link, along with the Confluence website link, at the top of the description so you can access both easily if you need them. With the video in place, you can tidy up the layout. Drag the edges to resize the frame so it fits cleanly with your text, and move the video block to the section that makes the most sense for your readers. A clean layout keeps attention on the message, not the formatting. When everything looks good, publish the page. Click Publish, and you're done. Your Loom video will appear instantly, and viewers can press play without leaving Confluence, making status updates, demos, and walkthroughs seamless. Here's a quick bonus tip while you're still in the editor. Hover over the video to see a quick preview. It's a fast way to confirm you embedded the correct recording and that Playback works before you make the page public. That's the whole process. Copy the Loom link, embed it with the widget connector or embed macro, adjust the placement and publish. Embedding videos like this keeps all your context in one place and makes collaboration smoother for your team. Thanks for watching, and try this on your next project page to make your updates easier to follow.